Kaya natin to. Kaya ko in-expect bro. Ayan, mag-uuling daw po sila. Mag-uuling ng may pera sa uling. So, luto na iti buko. Nga dati dagana. For today's video, I'm making charcoal, but the coconut husk is not charcoal. Hi naman dyan. Inabi na tayo. It's already 5:47. But it's okay. It's okay not to be okay. Hi, madam.
Kita pa ba ako? Oh my God. Nag-istak lagaro yan.
Ah! Sorry. Hindi makita. Welcome to my kingdom. Kingdom of coconuts. Yay! Malaki akong coconut husk for today's video. With these beautiful and stunning ladies of organic agriculture. Sheesh, na may hakay. Mabay ko doon. Yan yung second, yan yung first. Ay, naku po. That's life. That's life. Tada!
Hi! Maaga kami ngayon.
Anong
Time
oras
check.
na?
It's already... Makita ba?
7:22.
Oh, 7:22 pa lang. Uuwi na kami. Yay!
Easy na naman. Awan din na. Hi! Bakit hindi? Hi! It's already 11:34 in the evening. Let's go. Kain po tayo ng lunch.
Hindi lunch pa?
Night lunch.
Ay, hindi pa tayo nag-lunch. Nag-lunch ka ba?
Oo.
Grabe, ang pang-thesis. For the thesis, hindi kumakain.
Nagpinapay ako. So, let's go home and have a lunch. Bye! With Madam Maria.